Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we would be talking about nail polishes from Kay Beauty. As you must have already seen from some of my previous videos, I absolutely love this brand. I have tried a few products from the brand and I love each one of them. So today I would be swatching the 8 shades from Kay Beauty's nail polish line. So first let's talk about the nail polishes. These nail polishes are available in 36 color options and they retail for 225 rupees for 10 ml of product. This is how the nail polish looks like. So talking about the packaging, so there is nothing very special about the packaging, but I still like the way it looks. It is a simple rectangular glass bottle with a white colored cap. The logo of the brand is printed all over the cap and the name of the nail polish is mentioned on a sticker which is pasted at the side of the bottle. So again, I would say this is a very regular looking kind of a bottle, but it is very sturdy and travel friendly. I have dropped a few of these polishes a couple of times and thankfully each one of them is intact. So I can easily say that these polishes are travel friendly and they're really sturdy. Now talking about the brush, it's a very average kind of an applicator, but the size of the brush is sufficient enough to cover the width of the nail in about 2 swipes. So now before talking more about these, first let's get into the nail swatches. In the nail swatch video, I would be going from the lightest to the darkest shade amongst all the 8 shades that I have in my collection. So let's get into the nail swatches. So the first shade is shade number 14 and it is called Dream Bound. It is a very light pinky nude sort of a shade which is perfect for everyday wear and professional use. The second shade from my collection is shade number 20 and it is called Rose Dust. It is a perfect dusty pink shade and it looks beautiful on both long as well as short nails. Third shade from my collection is shade number 21 and it is called Nutty. It is a neutral nude which is again perfect for professional use. I love this color. This is my favorite from all the other colors in my collection. The next color I have is shade number 05 and it is called Seabed. It is a beautiful pastel green color and it looks perfect during summers. Next shade is again a summer friendly shade. It is shade number 07 and it is called Seafront. This is a pastely blue. Next in my collection is the shade number 08 and it is called Angelic. Angelic is a mauvey pink color which looks beautiful with Indian skin tones and can be worn with both formal as well as festive attires. My collection would have been incomplete without a bright pink nail polish. So the next one I have is shade number 30 and it is called Wineberry. It is a bright pink color and it is perfect for Indian functions and festivals. Eighth and the final shade from my collection is shade number 33 and it is called Carnival. Carnival is a true red color and it is an excellent color for bridal wear. Okay, so now as I'm done swatching all the 8 shades from my collection, I can say that I do like these nail polishes. These are not my favorite formula. I do have some others that I love more than these, but for the price point of 225 rupees, the formula is good. Some of the shades take a couple of swipes to give you an opaque color, while some of the others give a fully opaque nail in just a single swipe. Talking about the 8 shades from my collection, the last 2 shades that I showed in the video, which is shade number 30 and shade number 33, the pink and the red one. These two are the shades that look beautiful even with a single coat. They have a runnier consistency as compared to the pastely shades and they give a non-streaky application even with a single coat. The 3 pastely shades that I have are a little thicker in consistency and they require at least 2 swipes to give you a good looking nail color. Single swipe does look good, but it can give you a streaky application. So I personally recommend applying at least 2 coats and waiting for a couple of seconds before applying the second one so that the first coat can dry completely. The lighter and the neutral shades from the collections are beautiful. They have the perfect consistency and non-streaky application. Overall, the collection is nice. I wish they had a little more brighter shades in the collection. The nail polish line lacks brighter, bold colors. Maybe they'll add some brighter shades in the future, but as of now, these are the colors that I like the most. There is one pastel yellow which I would love to try. I would insert a clip of the color. I would love to try this shade, but pastel yellows are a little bit difficult to carry and that's the reason I'm a little skeptical about trying that. The staying power of these polishes is decently good. They can easily last up to 3 to 4 days without cracking, and if you apply a top coat, it can improve the staying power of the nail polish a couple of more days. They do not chip at all, but if you're someone who does a lot of house chores like washing dishes and other things where your hands get into water a lot, the color might start to fade from the top edges of your nails in just 2 days. That's all that I have to share about these nail polishes. My personal favorite from my collection is the shade 21 called Nutty. Leave a comment in the comment section down below and do let me know which is your favorite from all the 8 shades that I have swatched today. That's it for today's video. If you like today's video and would like to watch more such videos, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and also please ring the notification bell down below so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.